Do we bring our walleye jig or pole?
No, hang on. Wait. We haven't started the competition yet. We gotta do the intro. Babe, no. You'll be disqualified right now. Alright guys, it's been a hot mess this morning. I already cut my finger. I'm a hot mess right now.
He's a beautiful mess right now.
I cut my finger on the auger.
He cut his finger. He cut the...
I don't know. Oh, I cut the ice shanty with the auger. Once I cut my finger, I lifted up and just ripped it.
He's been tripping.
I've been tripping everywhere.
Put the heater out so many times.
Yeah, I know. Jeez, my finger's bleeding like crazy.
Let me see it, babe. I told you to keep it on there. Why
I know, but
it
kind of...
Stop doing that. What do you... Oh, I'm gonna keep opening it so it can keep bleeding. Oh.
It's kind of cool. Alright, so we're gonna do another...
Babe, those are walleye and you don't got no walleye.
No, those are huge crappies. Those are huge crappies below us right now. Alright, so the competition is gonna be...
I'm the captain.
Every 30 minutes, or it's gonna be a 2-hour competition again. Every 30 minutes, Sarah and I will switch sides just in case fish are coming from a particular side, so it's even, so it's fair. And then also we're gonna throw in the kicker too.
I didn't say that. I didn't agree with that.
We have tip down. Yeah, we have tip down. Whoever's sitting in this seat gets a tip down.
Let this be known that I do not agree with that.
In case you guys aren't familiar, this is a tip down right here. If we win by 1 or 2 fish or however many fish this thing brings, I do not agree to this. Okay, so this is a tip down right here in case anybody doesn't know what a tip down is. So you put live bait on there on a single hook, and then when a fish takes it, it just slowly brings it down, and then you pull on it, you hand line it up just like you would a tip up. So that is a tip down. So we're gonna be putting that in the transducer hole. I don't know how this is gonna work, but this is what the competition is gonna be.
All right,
we're obviously not gonna be bouncing around
on the lake
because it's super cold out right now.
It's freezing outside.
It's like negative 7 or 8. Let me turn
like
this up a
negative
little
11.
Bit. Turn this up a little bit. Cold.
Yeah.
So let me get the tip down set up, and then I'll get my GoPro on and we'll start going.
So you're saying I have to wait? There's literally 2 big fish right there.
Yeah, you gotta wait. Okay, so we got the tip down. I feel like this is really washed out right now. See that? Okay, so we got everything ready. Got the GoPro running. Got the big camera obviously running now. Got the tip down. I'll show you guys this. This is crazy. Tip down actually in the transducer hole. So this is going to get really interesting, whoever's dealing with this, because that's going to be hard to pull up through there.
Why
so that'll just be part of the challenge. Don't do that is what I'm saying. Don't put the tip down in the transducer hole ever. Don't do what we do. So all right, I will start the competition right now. 30 minutes, and then we will switch sides. Oh, babe, you're about to catch it right away. Come to daddy. Oh, fish on, baby. Nice. Nice, babe. Oh, get it. Get it, grab it. Pull it out, Yes. Nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome, babe. Oh, show the camera. That's awesome. Oh, man. Look at that.
I got one.
You got one.
You got none. Yeah, baby.
Alright, so yeah, we're going to keep a couple for a fish fry tonight. Oh, wait, hang on. I think there's a plastic bag in this thing.
Get it?
Here, just throw it on the ice right here. Just throw it on the ice over there. Underneath the camera right there.
Oh, yeah. What if he, like, back in the hole?
Oh, one's coming to me right now, babe. Oh, hammered it.
I saw it and I was like, I wonder if I can try to get this one.
Yeah, this one was super suspended. Oh, this one's big.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
I'll show you guys this one. This is nice. 1-to-1 right there.
That's a nice
Look at
one.
that.
Definitely bigger than mine.
Debatable. That's a nice one right there. Alright, so 1-to-1.
We didn't even say this is the rematch.
Oh, this is definitely the rematch.
The rematch for the other day.
Alright, so that's 2 fish. And we'll keep just enough for a fish fry. We got guests that are up here this weekend that will treat to a nice crappie fish fry. It'll be nice for them.
Wait,
guys,
how did you get started with the tip down? That's
I don't know.
I'd like to know.
You said you didn't want to do it first, so.
I didn't say that. I said I didn't want to do it at all.
Guys, comment down below who you think is going to win. This is a good time to say that because we're tied 1-to-1.
So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Who is gonna win?
I gotta pee again. Come on over.
Come on over, baby. Oh, I got one coming over by me too on the bottom. See, he's slowly coming in the zone. Oh, come on, he's gonna hit it. Got him.
Dang it.
Oh man, this is another nice one right here.
Good job, babe.
You happy on the outside?
Very.
Wow, these things fight so dang hard.
Look at how many is on your side. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one.
He hammered it.
That's a nice one.
Completely choked it. Another one right there. Awesome crappie. Yeah.
Oh, I
2 to
think
1.
yours is getting closer to me.
No. Steal my fish?
Yeah. Come on, baby.
I gotta get this jig off.
Come on, baby.
Gotta get this jig off right now. She's gonna steal all the fish down there. What the heck is you doing right now, Terry? I can't even get it off. Oh my gosh. Do I really have to use pliers? Oh, wow. Tying it up.
Frick.
That's right. Tying it up, baby. Get it up, get it up. Oh, that's a big one, babe. Pull it out, pull it out. Oh my gosh. I can't even get this one off. It's hilarious.
Ay.
I can't even get this one off.
Me neither.
Oh my gosh. He just completely choked it.
Oh wow, that's a nice one.
Let me see. Oh, babe.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's a really doozy one right there. Oh no, she's hooked up again. Nice one, babe. That one doesn't look as big as the previous one. Oh, that's another nice one, babe.
Yeah,
show the camera. Okay, we're at...
Oh.
What happened?
I gotta make sure that my thing doesn't get close to the...
Oh, babe. Oh, yeah. Did it get cut off or no? That's 3 to 2. 3 to 2, 3 to 2.
I can't really do a victory dance right now because I gotta hurry up and get back down.
All right, so we're 3 to 2 right now. Halfway to our fish dinner goal. So 14 seconds left, 8 seconds left. There's 2 huge fish coming in.
We're not gonna stop.
Unfortunately, it's not gonna count for me, so.
For you? What if I catch it?
Oh, there it is. There's the time right here.
Have to pee.
But this is gonna be off the record. These fish right now, Sarah's up 3 to 2 after the first period, or quarter, not period. Those fish did not
3 to 2
come after us, so I guess no fish dinner for us. And I'm down 3 to 2. Ow! I took myself. Heck.
Alright. Ladies always carry toilet paper.
Alright, so guys, this is the tip down right here.
Look how close he is to the hole. Oh, he's close to that.
So this is a tip down right here. It's just a rod with a little spool right there. And then there's a tightener right there too, so you can tighten up the line and loosen up the line. So that's your drag basically. And then what you want to do is put a little split shot about, I don't know, 6 inches up from a regular golden hook. And then you want to hook this minnow right through the back there. Let's see if this will focus. Just right on the top of the dorsal fin. And so what happens is this GoPro running right now? Is it blinking red?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to...
There's 2 fish down, 3 fish down there, babe.
Yeah. Dang, I just turned off the heater. All right, so what you want to do is just drop this down the hole. You loosen up that little metal piece that lets out the line and whatnot. Hang on. So then you just want to drop that down. So you just keep pulling out line. Okay, so once you get your depth that you want, we see on the locator. Whoa, looks like there's a fish right on it.
It is.
So you want to tighten this little knob right here so it doesn't let out any more line. And then you just set out the wooden prop there, and so when a fish will take it, it'll bob the tip of the rod. And then it actually allows the fish, just move this over just a little bit, it'll actually allow the fish to run with it a little bit, and then that alerts you when you have a fish on when the rod goes down, and then you just hand line it and you pull it up. So let's see if we can't get a fish. Oh, look, oh, did you guys see that? It just bumped it right now. It just bumped it. I think it has it right now.
Yeah, I think it has it.
Oh no, it's going to you right now.
No, it has it. I think it has it.
No, it bumped it and it ran. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but it... Oh, wait, I think there's a fish on there.
Babe,
oh, Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. Oh, it came off. I think it broke the line. Oh, it might have been like a walleye or something. Oh
Yeah,
no, it came off.
It was a long, line.
So what happened there, guys? Actually, that was crazy. There was a fish on there, but it ran up, so it wouldn't be able to tell that it had it actually.
Babe,
so
watch out.
So I should have actually given it some more time to run with it. But I think Sarah's about to get another fish right now. That was pretty cool. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, no. Nope, you still have it. You still have it.
No, I don't.
Oh, it came off. All right, so let me get this reset for you.
Babe, I'm trying to go back down to that fish.
Let me get this reset for you. All right,
wow.
So let me just explain this again. Yeah, we just both whiffed right now.
Well, no, mine didn't really.
So you take the hook right here, and you just go right through the top of that minnow, right below the dorsal fin. Right, come on, buddy. Try not to go too deep, or else you're gonna kill him. But just right through the top, so he's able to swim around.
Babe, you gotta turn that.
See this right here? He's just able to swim around in there freely, and a crappie will just come up and slam it. Sarah's up 3-2, and we're about to start right now. Oh, you're about to get disqualified.
1, 2, 3, go.
All right, we're going right now. There we go. Period 2. So you're in charge of the tip down now. So remember that.
Yeah.
So remember that.
Yeah.
Remember how I'm so gracious to let you get first drop down too.
First drop down? It's not my fault that you weren't ready to drop down.
I have to start the timer.
No.
Oh, either me or the tip down's gonna get hit. Oh, the tip down got hit.
Yeah.
You might have to do that. Yep. See, he's on there. So just wait till he goes down with it.
Okay,
just give him some time.
Okay, but
you're gonna have to give him some time. You're gonna have to give. He's on there right now. He's on there.
So then
he's on there. Yeah. Pull it. Just like a tip up. Yeah, there you go. Just try to keep the line organized, like over to the side, kind of thing.
It's hard to. I'm gonna have to move this.
That's okay.
No.
Got him. Nice, babe. Nice.
I want to be very careful because of the hook. Babe, you fish. Don't worry.
I know. I'm just trying to see the bottom real quick. Here comes another fish right now. So that's 4-2 right now. Sarah's up. Nice job, babe.
Thanks.
That's her first tip down.
Tip down, and the thing came off. Sorry.
The hook?
Yeah.
That's okay. Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Almost doubled up right there.
Good job, babe.
Let's see. Thank you. Dinker. We'll count it though. All right, so what is it? 3-4? 3-4. I gotta get back down there because there's a lot of fish. All right, so that's the time. All right, switch sides, babe. Reel up.
No.
Reel up. Yeah, that's it.
You said let me try to get this fish last time. It's not gonna count.
Come on,
it's
just
a huge.
Switch over.
It's a huge mark.
Come on, switch over. The time's up.
Let me know.
The time's up, babe. Come on. Starting again. Third round. There's fish on both sides of us right now. Everybody's like, oh, fish don't bite when it's cold out. Yeah, they do. The normal temperature right now is, let's see if that focuses, 9 degrees. And then wind chill feels like -6. So it's 10 miles an hour right now, which it feels like maybe 15 to 20, maybe gusts up to 15 to 20. But it's negatives out there right now. But as long as you got a shack and you got a heater going, should be fine. And you got a wife that's so dedicated to the crops. Oh.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
That's gonna be like a walleye. Oh! Yes. Swerved me. That was nice. You didn't even really set the hook on that.
I did.
There we go. 5-3. Hold it up to the camera. 5-3.
That's what you get for trying to catch my fish.
He came out of nowhere. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Might have spooked this one a little bit. Yep, he got spooked. Dang it.
He did?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, babe.
Shoot. That's okay.
I'm sorry, babe.
I'm sure you are. 2 seconds left. Alright, quick switch.
I gotta pee again.
So the end of the third quarter, Sarah is up 6-3. 6-3. Nicely done, babe. How do you feel going into the last round?
Feel pretty good.
Okay. Well, feeling pretty good, ain't gonna get it done. Alright? So scoot your boot.
Someone's cranky.
Okay, starting right now. Ah, my thing is coming off my body right now.
Babe.
My nip.
Oh,
right,
he
here we
went to
go.
your side, babe. Hurry up. You can get him.
Yeah, I'm just recovering right now.
Babe, you're dramatic.
I'm just gonna have to catch more fish than you know. Oh yeah, fish
Oh,
on!
that's a big one, babe.
Fish on!
Babe, that's a big one.
Yeah, it is. Oh, he's pulling drag.
Yeah, that's a big one. I saw him coming in. I was like, dang, he's big.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh.
a doozy. Yeah, that's a doozy.
Let me see. Wow. That's
Yeah.
nice.
What is this? 6
Good
to
job.
4 to 6. Right here. Number
Oh,
4
no.
right here. Number 4! Are you getting nervous yet, babe? She's getting nervous. Come on, come over here. Oh, we got you. Babe, how you set the hook is hilarious.
Why?
Your feet move first.
Oh, he's fighting. I don't want to lose him. Oh,
Good mouth.
Nice
Yeah, that's a
one.
good one.
yeah, he's a nice one.
Show it to the camera.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, he's nice.
Yeah, he is.
Look at it. Yeah, that's a nice one.
7 to 4.
7.
Uh-oh.
Ay, 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 ay. Babe, is it like setting in that you're gonna lose?
Not yet. I'm not giving up yet.
Oh, okay.
It's 4 minutes, so yeah, it's setting in. 1, 2. What do you have? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazier things have happened.
You gotta catch a
School fish. all at
fish.
once.
You have to catch a fish every minute.
Yeah. It's not looking good, guys. Not looking good.
Oh.
There it is. There it is, guys.
Whoa, there it is. Whoa, there it is. I am the winner. You are the loser. It's okay, babe. I still love you.
I can't even talk.
I'm kidding.
I
It's a
tried.
joke whenever he loses. I always sing that song to him.
Yeah, she does.
Because I win maybe once out of 20 times.
No.
Just kidding.
Yeah, you win all the time. Especially in Yahtzee.
I have won the best reward I could possibly win, babe, because I have you.
Oh, babe, that was cute. Aw. Thanks, babe. Sarah reclaimed her title as the fish queen, the crappie queen.
You got a crappie coming up too.
Yeah, so you ended up, what? 1, 2, 3,
7.
4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to 4. So we got 11 nice eaters. Our friends are up here, so we're going to make a nice fish dinner.
We have, no, 10 nice eaters.
I'm sorry, 10. We have 10. I released 1. So
He released
we have
the
10
baby.
nice eaters. Yeah, baby. So yeah, we're going to have a nice fish dinner tonight and or tomorrow night. When are we going to do that?
Sunday
Tomorrow
night.
Sunday night. So today's currently Friday. So good job, babe. Proud of you. You reclaimed your title. She said she would do it out here.
I
And I didn't
did.
think she would.
I done and told him.
I didn't think you would.
I'm the captain here.
Yeah, bet. Alright, well, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do. We're going to do another giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. So, yeah, please like this video if you guys want to see more challenges between Sarah and I. And you want to see me reclaim the title, just like this video. Give us some ideas down below, too, which kind of challenges you would like to see us do. And we'll try our best to get her done. So, thank you guys for watching. And always, God bless, and appreciate you guys. There it is. See you later. Bye.
Well, you can't expect